yung willingness to always improve and do better. Yeah, kasi kami Bini, we don't want to settle for less and we always want to...
Yes, I don't fight the members and I'm the kindest of them all. Kasi mga away. So yeah, it's my miracle ever since day one. So amazing.
No, it's mine only, okay?
Bakit don't share blessing?
Baka mawala na ako ng blessing siya.
Tapos, may hawak-hawak yung Santino sa napakasikip na lugar May hawak-hawak din po yung Santino.
Hindi, tsaka yung pag nagpauwi na kami, nakaseatbelt yun. Nasa aeroplano kami, nandito yung sakto ninyo nakaseatbelt. Okay, protected ako the entire flight.
Can you? Kasi napapanood ko sa K-pop, like yung, mga ganyan. I wanted to try that kahit okay naman yung in-ear ko.
Give me my cookies.
Bigyan mo na yung cookie niya, go.
Akin ang cookie.
You have your cookie.
Cookie,
magaganda yan, kakap yan.
Yes, guys, ang cookie ko. Ito po yung... Ito kasi yung... Wow! I like your cookie! Yes! Ito po yung cookie! Ito po sa akin yung cookie kasi...
I'm the bubble gum.
If you were to write your group's bio for the whole world to see, what would you write and why?
Wala namang NY, nilagyan
I wanna know why. Of course, and they wanna know why.
Ikaw, ano yung susulat? Ikaw.
Follow us on all of our plug bio. Or ano?
Carter and me? Yeah!
May magbabasok ka lang naman. Try natin ibang part.
Masarap kasi yung ice cream.
Lipat lang tayo sa kabilang palo.
Ako yung kay Ate Aya ng birthday niya. Hindi kasi hindi.
Kasi
Masaya
gusto mo yung
naman.
malayo.
Pero yung on the way, nakaka-depress. So pagod na pagod kami, hindi namin siya super na-enjoy. So I want to go back there.
Huh? Nag-enjoy ko yun tayo.
Hindi nga super duper.
Thank you.
On the way. On the way.
Akala ko nag-enjoy ka siya.
Phoenix ko to eh.
Siya yan eh.
Hindi naman.
Nag-enjoy lang
Kasi may mga ibang experiences na super duper happy. Yung ano lang, gets ba? Ano get?
Validate her feelings.
Yung on the way lang, yung on the way.
I thought everybody enjoyed it.
Ako gusto ko Sikihor.
Wow.
Why specific na?
Because it's forest. Puro na tayo beach eh. Beach tayo ng beach or parang may sarili-sarili tayong ganun. Gusto ko lang yung parang...
Sa forest?
Hindi! May bago naman dun.
Uy, nag-aaya akong jogging sa'yo.
Parang
Hindi.
wala yung space.
Mama.
kasi. Jogging na lang mo kasi.
Ako, yung birthday din ni Aya. Pero yung isang birthday. Yung isang birthday na sobrang fun.